Hi, welcome to Sin City, or welcome back if you're subscribed, which I hope you do subscribe. Today I wanted to just kind of unbox my new camera. Right now I am filming this on a ZV-1F, which is kind of like, it's a budget-friendly camera. I got it like 2 years ago or so, and honestly it was good for what I wanted it for, but I really want to be able to do more. The ZV-1F doesn't have interchangeable lenses. It's just a fixed lens. It doesn't have a, I'm gonna get the word wrong, a hot mount. Basically, if I wanted to hook up external flash to the ZV-1F, it's kind of hard to do because it doesn't have that hot flash or hot shoe. It's really hard to describe, but basically, there's just some things that I can't ever do on the ZV-1F that I need to do in order to kind of step up my content. That's really all it comes down to. It's a really nice camera. Like if you're just starting out and you want to take pictures and all that, or video, because I'm doing video right now. Yeah, it's a really good camera. I just want to, I don't know, I've been making content for like 10 or more years on the internet. And I just see so many people just kind of like upping their game. And I felt like I was kind of getting left behind in the game, I guess. Yeah, so I really didn't want to like, I needed to get a new phone as well. But I really didn't want to get a new phone and then the quality not be exactly what I wanted either. So I wanted to just go ahead and get kind of what I consider a dream camera of mine. The camera I've got, it has interchangeable lenses. I can hook up a flash to it, everything I need to do, so for pictures, videos, whatever. So my dream camera was the ZV-E10 and I'm so excited. I tried not to unbox it when it came yesterday because it came on the 3rd of March and today's the 4th I'm recording this. I don't know when I'll post this, but who knows. And like I opened the box just to make sure the camera was in there. Like I didn't take it out. I just wanted to be sure because I don't know what's going on, but like I've gotten some packages that have been like empty and I think people are taking them. I don't know. But yeah, I wanted to open it because it felt really light and just make sure the camera was in there. I took a little peek. It's there. I didn't unwrap it, nothing. I just know it's shaped like a camera. So hopefully it is a camera. And yeah, so I really wanted to get a camera to kind of jump more into this type of content where I do like long form on YouTube and then like other things I'm doing. It just makes more sense to have this interchangeable lens and flash and everything else I need that wasn't on this one. Yeah, so again, I did open it and take a little peek, but I did not take the camera out. So it is the Sony. And I actually got it because another dream of mine was to have a white camera. Like back in the early 2000s, I wanted a silver camera so bad. But like I was a kid, so my parents were not going to buy me a like silver, like Canon expensive camera. I did get one of the, what was it? The Kodak cameras that came out that like Drake and Nicki and all them did commercials for. I got one of those that was in black. So yeah, my mom got it for me in black. It still wasn't the color I wanted. So this time I got a camera and I got the color I wanted. And we're gonna just take a little peek at it. Okay, so when you open it, like it comes with like the pages, the directions and all that. So I put that back right on top yesterday. All right, and there it is. Like I said, I did not unravel it. I tried to like keep myself from like going feral and just, yeah. So, well, this is interesting. So we have this power cord. It's kind of weird now that I look at this, but well, the Sony strap that you put around the camera, it's black, but it has white writing. So I mean, actually that would look kind of cool. And then a USB-C cable. Just gonna put that there. Of course, we have the battery. Yep, that's the battery. And I actually ended up getting a kit. I'm not sure what the, oh, that's part of the charger. Okay. So I actually ended up getting a kit on Amazon that had the camera as well as a few other things in it, which I think I will cover that in another video where I'm actually using the ZV-E10. That way you can kind of see the difference between this video and the video with the new camera. Alright, and then what do we have in here? Just making sure all my little accessories. Oh, we have the, oh, it's so cute. The windscreen, what the thing's called, but it's white, of course. All right, this is what this is what I've been waiting for. Yeah, I'm very excited. All right, so we're just gonna throw that somewhere out of the way. Okay. All right. And again, it's so light. That's why I had to open it, because I'm like, is there even a camera in there? And there is a camera. Oh, it is so cute. So that's it. It has the lens cap on it. It's a bit, it's more of, you can tell it's not the budget type of camera like the ZV-1F I'm filming on, because it has more of like a metal feeling body. Then of course the screen opens and all that. Yeah, I really like this. Because I also have a Canon camera that I got years ago that is more on the expensive side. And yeah, this feels more like the Canon. It has more, even though it's light, it still has a little bit of weight to it. And it has more, you can tell there's more metal in it. So yeah, I really like the way this is made. And then the buttons have, instead of being like black, everything's silver. All right. So the, you press that button down and take off the cover. And there's the camera. So yeah, the kit that I got on Amazon, yeah, there's a few things in it, but one thing it was supposed to have was a one of the lens. Like I said, this is interchangeable, so there should be a lens with it. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can find that. All right, here it is, and this I did not open. So it even has the little sticker thing still on it. Hold on, let me get everything in focus. So this is, and I'm getting into photography, but I'm not like an expert. So this is the EPZ 16 to 50 millimeter f3.5 to 5.6 OSS. Yeah, I'm, like I said, I'm not a photographer. So yeah, I'm just gonna call that a good lens. All right, so now we're gonna open it. All right, and then it has the same lift-off type of top as the camera did. And again, because the camera is white, everything has the little metal accents to it instead. Oh, this is so gorgeous. And there we have it. Look at that. One thing I will do in this video is put the lens on the camera so we can kind of see it. All right, so I went ahead and put the battery in the camera as well when I put the lens on. So we're just gonna see how it looks. Like I'm so excited. All right, so unlike my ZV-1F, the on and off switch is actually a switch and not just a button. So we're going to click it on. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on, I gotta do that in the camera. I don't think it caught it. So okay, as you can tell, I'm so excited. So as a kid, again, this is like my dream camera. Like as a kid, I wanted one of those silver cameras with like the silver lens that when you cut the camera on, it like stretched out. And yeah, so check this out. And then zoom. This, yeah. And then I'm looking at the picture through it, like, oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And then, so the only thing I haven't put on here yet is this windscreen thing. So I'm just add that on there, and we can feel like real photographers. Oh yeah. I love it, love it, love it. I'm so excited. There's one thing I'm probably not gonna use, so I just want to see what it looked like. But yeah, so this is the camera. I'm just gonna turn it off. I tried to hurry up and show it, but like the lens went in. Love that. So yeah, and then another reason that I got this camera is because I wanted to use it as a web camera. Some people don't know that you can use certain cameras as web cameras if you hook them up correctly. I don't know. No, I won't say it's all cameras. I'll just say certain cameras. So this camera can be hooked up through the USB-C or through a capture card and HDMI. So yeah, I wanted to use this as a web camera because I talk about this in so many videos. My laptop is so old that I cannot even, not even stream. I'm just talking about like recording the screen. I can't even record myself playing a game and have me up in the corner like as a web camera thing. So I'm hoping, and I do believe I'm correct because I've looked this up I don't know how many times, but I do believe putting the camera through a capture card and using HDMI cord will, the computer will still have to, process the picture and all that, but it should take some of the actual like load off of the laptop. So I'm hoping if I use that instead, that maybe I'll be able to make some videos where I record the screen and my laptop doesn't act like I'm destroying it. So this is another reason for this purchase. So yeah, I always like to get stuff and have multiple uses for it, and that's why I really wanted this. So a lot of streamers you see like on Twitch, like the big streamers that look like you're in the room with them, yeah, they're using not this camera but they're using a professional grade camera, and that's why they look like that. They're not using like a little camera you plug in like through USB-C or USB. So yeah, when I set that up, I will make a video about it because I want to see if it does make a difference. And yeah, so like I said, I did get this in a package from Amazon that had other stuff like a bundle. So what I'll do is I think I'm going to make my next video using this camera as the camera instead of my ZV-1F, and we can kind of see the difference. And that video will be about the rest of the items I got in the bundle, and some items that actually came with would help me with the streaming, so, or recording, whatever I'm trying to do with the webcam. But I think they're missing the capture card, so I still would have had to buy one, but I did buy my own things because I'm just very particular. But it did come some other stuff that I am definitely going to use, and I may even use their stuff like kind of first before I even break my stuff out. So who knows? But yeah, I'm so excited. Like this year I really want to be more serious about creating content and be more intentional about it. So yeah, I can't wait to kind of dive into this and see what happens in this new journey. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so you can catch the next video where I do record using this, because I will do that next. And yeah, I will see you then.